The Great Resignation is making way for a new issue, the Great Talent Stagnation. Employers can't find the skilled workers they need, and employees feel stuck, unappreciated, and replaceable. Dr. Sandra Palmer, CEO and Senior Partner at Above or Beyond, lends a unique local and international perspective. Good morning, Doc.
Morning, Dr. Palmer.
Good morning.
Explain that phrase, talent stagnation.
Talent stagnation on the heels of the Great Resignation. What that is about is the fact that employees and employers seem to be stuck on different sides of the coin, both wanting different things and not getting what they want. So what is happening is that employees feel that they are undervalued, they are not appreciated, they're not respected, they want other things, they're valuing personal time, work-life balance, and so on. And employers are feeling, well, we're not finding the talent that we want. We can't find persons to employ. Those who we have don't have the skills. People are retiring, people are leaving. And so that's the great stagnation that we're having, which is impacting productivity, it's impacting recruiting, and it's impacting promotion and so on.
A Fortune article quotes a U.S. study that says there remains a major disconnect between how companies view their workers and how the workers view themselves.
Definitely, because the workers, they want flexibility. They want personal development. They want to feel that there are opportunities for growth, and they feel that for the most part that's not the case. While the companies feel that they're doing their best, they're paying fair wages. They feel that they're working on their culture and they're trying to have everyone engaged and so on. However, both sides are not seeing the matter the same way. So there is that disconnect.
I don't know if you were listening into our previous interview when we were talking about apprenticeship, and I got from that you can actually teach people to do what you want them to do.
Of course.
So then why are we talking about this, that you can hire me? All right, I don't know anything about being a chief executive officer or something like that. Why you can't hire me and say, well, these are the things that I want you to do, and this is how I want you to get there. And then we have Dr. Palmer who can help you and coach you to get there. Why we can't do that?
I think you have hit the right note, Neville, where companies have to rethink and change their mindset, because if the talent that you want, you don't have, and you are not able to attract it because maybe the talent is too expensive or they're in another country, you'd have to go across borders, then you definitely have to look at retooling. You have to look at improving the skill sets of those who you have, because they're already in the ship. And so why not invest in them? There's this saying that, what if I train them and they leave? And my question to that is, what if you don't train them and they stay?
Wow.
Where is the greater damage or the greater harm? And so skills training is extremely important, and not just from the employer's point of view, but employees as well have a responsibility to invest in themselves.
Interesting.
I feel, you see, Doc, that one of the things that I think organizations have fallen short on is establishing, I would say, operational procedures. Mm-hmm. Because I feel like if you have a structure of this is how I want something to be executed and this is the end goal, then when people are employed, then they will fall within that structure. But then if you don't have anything and the person don't have any training, then what is going to happen?
You throw them to the lion, basically, right?
Yes.
You throw them in the water, in the deep end, actually, without any form of help, and you expect them to swim. And it doesn't work like that. So companies are focusing on productivity. And workers are saying, but my wages are stagnant, you're not investing in me, and so on and so forth. And so I think we just need to press pause and rethink this thing. And the reskilling and the upskilling, it has to be the way to go. And where we are today, the technology makes it even so much easier for that to happen. Gone are the days when you have to send an employee away daily for weeks or months or years to get training and come back. Today, the training is so readily accessible with online platforms. You know, you can have corporate training where persons can get the skills they need right away, and they're able to apply those skills immediately.
Well, final question, Dr. Palmer. You've launched an e-learning platform for professional development?
Yes, we have. I'm glad you asked about that, because at Above or Beyond, because we are in the space of recruiting and in the space of consulting, we're interfacing both with the employers and the employees, and the great talent stagnation is real. And what we have done, we have launched Sankore Professional Development Institute, and I'm so proud of it. It's over 150 essential business skills courses that anyone, anywhere, anytime with the ambition and a growth mindset, somebody who wants to grow, learn, and develop and improve themselves can get access. And you are not talking about weeks and months to get the knowledge that you need. You know, it's on demand. You know, you need to learn something new, you can get it done, apply right away. You know, you're able to go from knowledge acquisition to application in real time.
All right, thanks. Blessings. Good to see you. Look after yourself.
Okay, happy to be here.
CEO and Senior Partner at Above or Beyond, Dr. Sandra Palmer.
Coming up in the next half an hour, drone solutions for agriculture, plus the second edition of News in 5. The second time you're going to see dolls. I read it. This won't come.